Hi, this is to show you how to use this story map. This is what the front page of it looks like. It's sort of an interactive slideshow with maps and other multimedia embedded in it. But I just want to show you how it works so you can access all of the stuff. So this is a story map about Richmond River and the catchment. There are chapters in it, and the first set of work for week 8 is just these first 2 chapters. But you can scroll through, so you can go directly to the chapters through the links. And then you also have this scroll bar here. So the home is the front page, and then you have each page is a little dot. Or you can use the arrows to scroll. You can use your mouse wheel as well, but it's a bit neater. It ends up in the right place better if you use the arrows. So what we have is a series of slides, and there's a contents page there. And right here on the first one, there's this red bit here. This is an activity. So an activity for this, it means you have to go to your worksheet in Google Classroom and do some of the work there. So this one is complete the closed passage activity, review the water cycle. So if we go to our worksheet, it looks like this. The title is there, review the water cycle. So it should say in the story map the name of the activity, and you just find that activity in your worksheet and complete that there. And then you hand in your worksheet at the end of when you've done the work on Google Classroom. Make sure you actually turn it in so I can see that it's done. So some other things to look through, if you look through the story map, it'll show an image, or sometimes it might show an animation, and there's just information that you need to read in the left hand side here. Some of the key terms are just been bold. They're important words that you need to know. However, sometimes there's some other stuff. So there's a video here you can play, and there's another activity there. But the other thing is that there are these interactive maps embedded. So in this slide, for example, there are these underlined words, and they actually open up extra content in this window here. So if we click on this, it's talking about a catchment. So we have a map showing the north coast. There's Mount Warning, that should maybe looks familiar from our previous lessons. But if you click on these underlined links in the panel here, it opens up an image. Then you get rid of that by clicking back up here, and then the next one shows a map. And this shows a map of the Richmond River catchment area. So you click on those to open up extra content. Make sure you use those and look out for them, because they are part of your learning activities. Then you click back to go back to the main page. And that's most of the things you need to know is that's how to use them. Make sure you look for these links that open up extra content in the windows. And then the red activities again refer to work on the worksheets. Now for the first set of work for week 8, it's just the water cycle and catchments, and Lismore and its catchment are the only 2 things you need to do. And those activities are on the worksheet here. And that's it.